Hi, in this tutorial we'll explore the I feature, also called message information. The I feature shows you key details about your response like LLM used, context mode, query expansion, and prompt applied. This helps you understand how QAnswer generated your response or debug if needed. In your new chat interface, ask a question or tag an AI assistant. Let us use the Project Tracker AI assistant and ask, um, display the current status of mobile app, website, and CRM project in a table. And here is your response. Now hover over it to see the I feature. Click Open up the message information and you'll see the LLM used. In our case, the QAnswer LLM hosted in the EU. Next is the context mode, which in our case is full context, meaning the LLM receives all content from the uploaded files without filters or truncation. Then we have query expansion, showing the exact question we asked. And lastly, the prompt used shows you any custom prompt you added, along with the extracted content pulled from your files. If no prompt is set, the default one is applied. This gives you a clear view of what went behind the scenes to generate your response. Close the message information and you are back in the chat. That's it for the I feature. In the next video, we'll explore the multilingual translator. See you there.